Hi, good day everybody. This is Michael from Asia Virtual Solutions. I want to quickly show you just a walk through the linked list member area, especially with regards to the downloads, because I had a few users that got a little bit confused with this tabs that I have here, and I kept asking me where's all the downloads, because they don't see the downloads. So I'll show you today now. Just at the top there would be the last date, the last update. So I just updated this this morning, and so I updated the page and the download links and everything. So the next update will be the end of April, but the first 2 days of May, where you can get the live updates, which updates the identified linked list every 10 minutes in the Google Drive, which I share. This is just a summary of the totals that I updated this morning. On the moment, the identified looks a little bit low at 19 million compared to 113 million the month before. It's because we are rechecking all the O's, but we are only halfway. Not even halfway, we are 35% done checking the O's. So during this month it will be increasing a lot, double that. With regards to the downloads, so this is the summary. These are tabs. So you click on tabs to see the different formats. So this download here is everything. So in a moment this download is 2.47 gigabytes. So you just click on here, and it should open in a new tab. And you will get Google Drive download option, or there's quite a few options here. So, but you just need a download, and then you will click download, and you'll get this notification. It's quite a big file, and there you go. Now I can see it. It's already starting to download in my links. So you just need to unzip it, and then all the files will be in there. Let's go back here. Where am I now? Okay, linked list member. Yeah. So that is the full download. I'll check back in a second there. This has got the SL files, the TXT files. It's got a summary. This here is the SL format, which is used for GSA search engine ranker. Okay, so that file now downloaded. So the all O's you can see in here, it contains all of the SL files, the identified domains, identified O's optimized, identified O's, new verified domains in March, new verified O's in March, verified domains, verified O's, so you can choose which you want to use. Same thing with the text. These are just text files now. So all the list is in here. There's 662 different ones. Okay, so that's the downloads, and then there should be a summary. The summary just contains how much of everything. Let's just go look at that one. So this is just what we export from GSA search engine ranker. See the total there, 19 million. Okay, so that's the download. So the SL files, you can either download all the SL files, or you can download specific ones which you need. Same story with the text. They're there, and then there's the summaries. You click on this link here for download them. Okay, there's a few videos down here that might be helpful to you, and I'll add this video as well, but maybe the top section, so it's more prominent and people don't get confused by these tabs. Okay, I hope this is a short and sweet video. I hope you have a better understanding now of how this tab and download section works. Thanks and have a good day. Bye-bye.